Advanced features you didn't know that existed in Gmail. If you are a normal Gmail user, there are many things within Gmail that you might not have known. The first is that, let's say you are getting a lot of spam emails and you want to forever not receive email from one particular sender. What we have to do is, we have to unsubscribe from that email. Open that email and look for the unsubscribe button, usually at the top or right next to their email. Click the unsubscribe button, and some might ask you to go to the website, so just follow up with the changes and make sure to unsubscribe from their profile. Once you go ahead and then unsubscribe over here, you can see this is one way to remove them from your email list. Sometimes what happens is, you might have accidentally sent an email to someone. Maybe you want to edit that email and you want to cancel it. You can cancel it, but within 5 seconds only. But we can change that time frame if we want. Click the gear icon from the top right hand side and go to See All Settings. Look for the option Undo Send. It says Send Cancellation Period. By default, this will be set to 5 seconds. So we want to change that and move it over up to 30 seconds. So next time if you accidentally send an email, you will be able to undo the sending up to 30 seconds after you send it. The other feature, last but not the least, that I'm going to suggest to you is the feature called Signature. If you scroll down, you can add a default signature to all of your Gmails, which will be appended at the end of all outgoing messages. Click on the Create New button next to Signature and just type in whatever type of signature it is, whether it's an image or a digital signature or a simple name, and click the Create button. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.